This is my opinion on what the John Wick Chapter 4 new Glock will be. I got this back after seeing a video with Keanu Reeves shooting at Taran Butler's range. Mine is a Gen 4. It will have the Combat Master slide cuts, fiber optic green, Shadow Systems match barrel with the extended magazine baseplate, flared magwell. I went with the Gen 4 because I didn't want any stippling, and I felt the stippling was good enough on the Gen 4. Now, got the trigger job done as well. The reset is right there, and it's a hair trigger. What's your opinion on what could be the next John Wick Chapter 4 pistol? Let me know. Like, subscribe, and also join me on Patreon. If we build up enough people, do giveaways, and just keep it going. Thanks. Goodbye.